just to let everyone know, this is just my own opinion of the food I'm about to eat. Now, a long time ago I had Chick-fil-A, and I've had the chicken from McDonald's right here, and I've had the chicken from Jack in the Box, and then this is the Chick-fil-A chicken. So what I'll do is I'm gonna cut a little piece, like cut it in half, and I'll take a bite out of the half, and then I'll cut this one in half, and then I'll cut this one in half, and then I'll just tell you what how it tastes. But first, I'm gonna get my Coke, because I gotta have my Coke with all these things. Okay, you can't have all this stuff without a Coke. So hold on a second, right? Put it on hold. That's to clear the palate, right? Supposedly. So first, I'm gonna try the McDonald's. Here's the McDonald's. Okay, McDonald's. It's pretty basic chicken sandwich. There's like not much to it except the actual sandwich. We'll cut this in half. This is about $3 for this. Okay, so here we go. Yummy McDonald's. It's a little crunchy. Chicken tastes okay. Okay. It's all right. Now we're going to try Jack in the Box. This one was probably more like almost $6 for this one. So I expect more out of this one. A lot more packaging here. This one's got lettuce and tomato. We'll cut that one in half. And doesn't cut too good, that knife. But this is not about cutting, it's about taste. So here we go. Not bad. Pretty flavorful. This one comes with bacon. I told him to take the bacon out of it. It's better than that for sure. So far, Jack in the Box is winning. Although this is almost twice as much as that. Now we'll go to Chick-fil-A. This one looks a lot like the McDonald's one. Doesn't have a whole lot of stuff on it. We'll cut this one in half. Taste it. I don't know. How much was this one?
$4.
$4. I would say it's about the McDonald's. I like the McDonald's better than this one. That's just my personal opinion. And probably because this one's got lettuce and tomato and a lot more and nice sourdough. Jack in the Box. So, I'm going to put this one away. And it's going into the garbage. Have a good day.